This is a one-owner 2019 Subaru Crosstrek 2.0i Limited. It has 4 cylinders with a partial zero emissions vehicle and 2 liters. AutoCheck gives this Crosstrek a score of 92 out of 93. You can view the AutoCheck report by visiting www.onyxautosales.com. Here is the back area. Has a nice cover to keep your belongings protected. And then you've got your spare tire. I mean, all the tools needed if you were ever to come across and need something like that. You have aluminum alloy rims. There, the tread on the tire. Now let's go inside. The interior is black leather in excellent condition. Here is the back row with a nice accented orange stitching. Here is the passenger seat. You have heated seats. And then there's your climate control. It's navigation. And then up here you have, oops, oh, the light's not gonna let me do it. It has Apple Play as well. Apple CarPlay, I should say. There are no caution or warning lights on. There's your cruise control. And it's the adaptive cruise control as well. There's your audio controls, information, and then there's your blind spot monitoring, power locks and power windows. And then up here you have a collision alert as well as lane departure warning, and it is equipped with a sunroof. This Subaru Crosstrek has everything. Come into Onyx Auto Sales and take this all-wheel drive Subaru for a test drive. We are located at 95 West, 400 North in Logan, Utah. Purchase your vehicle through Onyx and you'll drive away smiling. Onyx Auto Sales, let's rock.